make a joyful noise unto the Lord, all ye lands. Serve the Lord with gladness. Come before his presence with thanksgiving. Know ye that the Lord, he is God. It is he that had made us, and not we ourselves. We are his people, the sheep of his pastures. Enter into his gates with thanksgiving, and into the courts with praise. Be thankful unto him, and bless his name. For the Lord is good, his mercy is everlasting, and his truth endureth to all generations, generations, generations. Make a joyful noise, make a joyful noise unto the Lord, all ye lands. Make a joyful noise, make a joyful noise, all ye